seem to come and go. The gypsy flies from coast to coast, knowing many loving arms, wearing sorrow, having fun. But back home he'll always run to sweet Melissa. Oh, sweet Melissa. Train, each car looks the same, but no one knows the gypsy name. No one hears his lonely sigh. There are no blankets where he lies, but in the deepest dream he will fly to sweet Melissa. Again the morning comes, again he's on the run, sunburn shining through the air, appearing not having care, but pick up your gear of gypsy roll. Oh, 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 sweet Melissa. Crossroad, will you ever let him go? Or will you hide the deaf man's ghost? Or will he lie beneath the plain? Or will his spirit float away? Yes, I know you wanna stay without Melissa. Oh, sweet Melissa.